Well, there's a train going by, so now is the best time to do episode 5 of the Marketing with Charles show. And on today's episode, I want to give you an idea for a post on Facebook or Instagram. You can change the way you post it on each platform, but the idea is the same. And the idea is, why don't you ask some of your staff that you have, what is their favorite place to eat in your local area? So you would do this on video, of course, and film one or two of them or all of them, and then put it together in a nice little video. You can use iMovie on the iPhone. Android has an app for movies. You just stitch it together. And the reason why you want to do this is, one, you get your customer base or potential customers to get to know, like, and trust you. And of course, that often leads to people buying from you. The second thing is you get to share your story a little bit. You get to share who you are as a company, what kind of employees you have. It's a great way to showcase that. It also can be a great way to entertain your audience. Maybe you have a funny person in your company that when they tell us who their favorite restaurant is in the city, they'll be funny about it. And another reason, it involves more people in your company to be part of social media, which is a great thing. The more people that are involved with social media in your company, the better. Well, that's episode 5. The train's just about done, and we will see you tomorrow.